I cannot believe the MACBOOK SUR is available right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome to the fam. Subscribe if you like, and if you're not new, well, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back. So today's video is going to be an exciting one. Okay you guys, so basically Apple a few days ago released the MACBOOK SUR update, and I'm sure there are a lot of videos on this topic as for now, but I was really excited to try to customize my MacBook to the way that I want it and try to kind of play with widgets and all of that stuff, because that is kind of the new features and all of this, and everyone, including myself, went crazy with the widgets on the phone. Without further ado, I am going to show you how you can transform your MacBook desktop basically to look like this. So I have my MacBook right here, and I am going to start screen recording so you can see exactly what I see. So basically what you're seeing right here is my new desktop, my new MacBook desktop, and I am obsessed, like you guys. Like recently I've been obsessed with colors like green, white, and all of these pastel colors. So first let's talk about the wallpaper. So the wallpaper I created myself, I rearranged it myself, but the pictures, all of the pictures are from Pinterest. You can go and download millions of pictures from Pinterest, and they are so pretty and so aesthetic. So I like to use Canva for basically everything I do, and well, we can see right here is my wallpaper. I did try to look for certain photos on Pinterest, but when you actually go to put it on your desktop, it is not HD at all, and it looks very pixelated and it's not cute. So I know most of you may know how to put little icons on your folders on your desktop, but if you don't know, I'm gonna remind you. So what I like to do is look for a PNG icon that I can use. So this is the one that I'm using here. It says Girl Gang, and basically you just open the PNG and you press Command C, so it's gonna copy, and then you're gonna go to the folder on the desktop and double tap right so the settings appear. So we want to go to Get Info, and you just press here and press Command V, and it will automatically paste the icon. So the new update comes with widgets as well as the iPhone, but they are a little bit different because there aren't a lot of apps for widgets yet on the Mac. I'm gonna show you what I found. Some of them you need to pay and some of them are totally free. So let's go to my Launchpad, and I'm gonna share 4 different apps that I found. So the first one is Smart Tasks. This one I haven't used it, but I did see the preview of it because I need to pay to use it, like a subscription. But I just wanted to share what you can do with it. It's basically a reminder or a calendar that you schedule things or reminders, and it will appear as a widget on your tab here. But as I said, I'm not using this feature, but I did want to mention it for those who would like to actually pay for the subscription and use it as a widget. My favorite app that I found is called Pixel Widgets. So basically all of the widgets that I have right here, almost all of them, like the green ones, are from Pixel Widgets. What we're gonna do is open Pixel Widgets, and like on your iPhone, it's gonna show you templates that you can use. So you have small, medium, and large, as well as the iPhone. So the small, I chose these 2, but you can actually press and you can color code it, so there are so many colors. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this app is paid, but it is only $1. So yeah, you can choose your theme, you can choose different fonts and the text color. So if you go to the tab on the widgets on the desktop, you go to edit widgets. So we are in pixel widgets. So basically you can just, as the iPhone, you can just add the widget that you want to the tab. So we have small, medium, and large, and you just go adding them and rearranging it the way you want to. So now we have something that I discovered that is called memo. So basically memo is it's free. It's kind of a sticky note, but a widget. Like you can put your to-do list, or you can put reminders or things that you need to type up, or notes or things like that. Here is the memo. So how did I put it? I went to memo here, and you can also choose small, medium, and large. Okay, so another thing that I really liked about the widgets is that you can put photos. So basically it takes photos from your camera roll on your computer and it puts it as a widget, and I think that's so cool. And you don't actually need an app for it, so I think it's very cool. So you can put small, medium, and large. So here I have the small, and it's right here. It's me and my boyfriend. Another app that I wanted to share is this one called Mini Play. So basically you just download the app and it will select it's kind of a widget, but you can move it. So I like that about that. Mini Play is an app that connects with your Spotify or your Apple Music or iTunes on your MacBook. So right now it's connected to the Spotify, and here I'm listening to Positions. So this is how I got my MacBook to be aesthetic. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was very simple and quick, but I just wanted to share a few things that I discovered. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe down below and comment and like this video. It helps me so much to grow and to get my channel out there. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, got some inspiration, got some ideas, and some new apps that you can try. So yeah, I love you guys and thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.